Let's talk about the recently launched TECNO smartphone Spark 30C 5G. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 84.5% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 263 ppi. Pixel density, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 48 megapixel main camera, along with auxiliary lens and triple LED flash. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. 4. The software the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 14.5 screen on top the device. Under the hood the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 6nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of UFS 2.2 on board storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165 by 77 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 189.2 grams, and the color options: Azure Sky, Aurora Cloud, Midnight Shadow colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm audio jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, infrared remote control support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO Spark 30C 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 10,499 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Spark 30C 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.